Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to embed text, video and audio inside your Angular 13 application. So we will be building a WYSIWYG advanced text editor inside Angular, and we will be using this dependency which is called as ngx-quill. So this is kind of an advanced WYSIWYG editor where you can embed your text. You can also advance you can also do advanced formatting. You can also highlight your code as well. You can embed images, videos, all those stuffs you can do. All those widgets are present. So this is a library that we will be using here, which is ngx-quill, and you can just see the weekly downloads 129,390. So we will be using this dependency in our Angular application to do this process. So they also have their demo available. So if you see here, advanced demo on the screen here. So I think they have the demo available. If you just type here ngx-quill, this is the library here, and if you just type here stack blitz, so they have the demo available. So let me just show you the editor. So now you will see that simply there will be widgets out there, so you can type the heading, you can change the formatting, you can bold the text, you can also change it to italic, underline the text as well, like this. You can also see a live preview of the screen as well, so you can bold it, change to italic, put underline as well, strike through, and also you can put some code as well here. So let's suppose you want to put some code, you can also put some code here like this. So this is code formatting. So just if you want a simple headline, that is let me change it to a headline. So you will see this is h1 headline. If you want to change it to h2, you can see that. You can also put a bulleted list out here, you can see that. So this is bulleted list, and instead you can also have an unordered list as well, like this dot symbol. So various features are there, and you can also embed some links as well if you want to. So if you want to embed some link here, simply select this and enter the link. So I need to redirect this to google.com, so I will simply save this. So whenever you click on this, you will be redirected to google.com. So, and also you can embed images as well. So in this, simply you need to add this a widget which is called as image. So if you add this widget, you now have the capability to add images as well. So if you want to embed images, you will see that it will be embedded. You also have the facility to embed videos as well. So simply write videos. So now you will see there will be an option where you will select videos. So if you select, you can embed any sort of video, so from any social media website. So if you want to embed some YouTube video, you can embed this. So let's suppose copy link address, paste it. So now you can see the video is successfully embedded. You can also play the video as well right here. So in this way guys, this is the ngx-quill editor. We will be building this from scratch inside our Angular application. So let's start building this application. So we are inside our projects folder. Let me create a folder. I will cd into this, and I will be creating a new project which is editor. So this will ask some questions to you, that if you want to allow routing or which I will not allow routing. So we will use only CSS. So this will install the packages that is needed for this application. So just wait. If you are new to the channel, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So this will hardly take 15 to 20 seconds, and it will install all the packages. So now you can see that the packages are installed. So now we can go to the project folder and open this inside the Visual Studio Code text editor. So you can see that we can enable this simply. So now you need to install the module. So we will install it by ngx.quill. This is the module here. So simply install this. So now the module has been installed. So now in order to include this, just go to the app folder, app.module.ts, and simply you need to include this. So right here in this file, we will import the module, which is this module, which is quill module from ngx-quill. So now you need to add this into the imports array. So we will add this, which is quill module. That's it. So now you can close this files, and now you need to go to app.component.html file. So right here, simply what you need to do is that you need to write inside the div, we need to include. So first of all, we need to include the form group. So this will be equal to the actual form element that we declare inside TypeScript file. So inside this, we will have our quill editor widget, which will be placed on the screen. So this will be having some options. First is the placeholder. So here we will simply say enter text and form control name. So this will be equal to text, and then we will have modules. So this will be equal to quill config. So these options we will initialize in the TypeScript file. So when you on blur is the option whenever you, this is the blur function which will execute, and when you select any sort of file on selection changed, this callback function will execute. So this function will be totally up to you which function you need to write here. So this function you need to make in the TypeScript file. So that's all that you need to do. And going back to app.component.ts file, so now you need to write all these functions. So right here, first of all, we will declare the form, which will be of the type form group. So this will be imported, you will see, from Angular Forms. And just put this symbol and HTML of the type string. So now we will declare this property which we initialized in the app.component. You will see quill config. These are all the configuration options that you need to attach to the editor. So this is an object. It takes the toolbar object as a nested object, and then it takes the container. This is the array. So inside this array, the first will be an actual array itself. These are the different types of widgets that you see on the screen. In order to bold the text, italic, underline. So these are some of the basic widgets that you see inside every editor. So then we have strike. Now put a comma. Then there is a set of objects. So here you can initialize the size. Just configure the size. So it can be extra small, small, medium, large. So these are different sizes that you can have for the text. So I am just showing here large and extra large. So just put a comma and extra large. Put a comma, and then the alignment purpose. So for the alignment of the text, there is a align property. So this will be empty for now. So you don't need to do anything for this. Put a comma, and the next property will be clean. So if you delete everything, then the text will be deleted. And lastly, for embedding links, we will have a link property like this. So that's still inside config. So after this, we will have the ng on init, this dot form. So this will be new form group. So text. So this will be new form control. And inside this, we can, for default, we can show something on the screen. So we can simply show a message inside hello. We can also close the paragraph. That's it. So all these functions, you can see that on blur, on selection changed. So let me also write these functions. So if I start this application for now, which is ngserve, so now you will see that WYSIWYG editor will be seen on the browser. So it is starting this application, so just wait. So all the source code I've given in the video description. So if you face any sort of problem, you can go to the video description link, simply copy this and paste it. Just put these symbols here. So I think there is some kind of problem building locally for this dependency once again. There are some dependencies which you cannot build with the latest version of Angular. So that's why you are seeing this problem. So the best scenario will be to look at this example which is hosted on stackblitz.com. I have given all the source code in the video description. So just look at this example, look at the Angular version that they are using and simply update it to your own local version. So all the source code will be there inside video description. So just go to the edit option and in the description of the video you will find all the source code. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.